This is a video by Richmond. Today we're working on a Mercury Sable, and this is the same as a Ford Taurus. This is a 2003 model. And what we're doing today is we are removing the multifunction switch. First thing we need to do is disconnect the negative battery cable from the battery. Now once we do that, wait a couple minutes and make sure we insert our key into the ignition, turn it to the run position, and then underneath here you'll see a access hole, and you'll use something that is long and thin to get in there and push the activating pin to remove the lock cylinder. Let me get it closer so you can see that. Here is the access hole right here, and you'll pull out on the lock cylinder. There we go. See the little button you push right in here to remove the lock cylinder? After we get the lock cylinder out, we want to remove the bottom cover here. And we want to look for the screws. These covers are going to be a little tight coming out. Alright, there's the bottom one. Right there. Now we got to get the top one. Alright, let's get our shifter down here and remove this top cover. There it is. That's a tight one. Alright, now the switch here is held in by two T15 screws. One here on the top. And one on the bottom. Now that we got our switch loose like this, we can start by removing our electrical. Alright, here are the connectors, and on both sides there are little locks. They're kind of brittle, so you got to be very careful. Get that one up. Alright, let's try to you need 3 hands on this one right here. See if I can do it with 2. Come on, baby. There we go. So we want to do the same thing to the other one right now. There we go. What happened to this one right here was brittle and it broke off. So you got to be very careful about this plastic when you remove those connectors. But we got our switch out. So that's all there is to removing the multifunction switch on your Mercury Sable / Ford Taurus.